The Metro Manila Development Authority is starting to issue tickets to motorcycle riders passing through the bicycle lanes along EDSA. More of this report from Jayson Rubrico.
Delivery rider Eugene admitted that sometimes they are forced to pass through the designated bicycle lane along EDSA. He explains that it cannot be avoided, especially during heavy traffic and rush hours.
Minsan nagkakamali na rin, nadadaan na rin sa bike lane. Gawa ng sobrang sikip nga, lalo na pag traffic, rush hour, kailangan din namin makapag-deliver na mabilis. Hindi namin maiwasan na kahit papaano mapadaan sa maling daanan talaga.
Eugene has no objection to the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA's order to arrest and fine motorcyclists who pass through the designated bike lanes on EDSA. However, he hopes that the bicycle lane would also be given as much importance as the motorcycle lane.
Dapat kung magkaroon ng motorcycle lane, dapat implement din nila na pang motor lang talaga. Oo. Hindi katulad ng kung may bike lane, bike lang nakakadaan, motorcycle lane, that motor lang din na nakakadaan.
But for Jezreel, he is not in favor of what the MMDA mandates. He said the designated motorcycle lane should first be fixed before implementing it.
Imbis na may sarili kaming danger sa EDSA, hindi namin nagagamit kasi kinakain ng mga four wheels eh. Kaya kami, pagka traffic, nag-a-adjust kami. Hindi kami makalusot. Imbis na sana may daanan kami sarili, nagagamit namin yung bicycle lane.
Meanwhile, Mr. Totoy was happy with the MMDA's move. He said that it is necessary to do this because sometimes the cyclists are the ones who are aggrieved. He said they are the ones who often adjust and just pull over on the sidewalk when motorcycle riders are passing through the bike lanes.
Tama lang yun kasi kaming mga bikers, nahirapan din kaming dumaan. Kami, pag dumaan kami dito, nandito sila lahat, andyan kami, sidewalk. Oo. Wala na kami sa bike lane. Kaya yun, doon kami lugi.
As for Mr. Romeo, the arrest and fine of motorcycle riders should depend on the situation.
Siguro depende sa sitwasyon. Oo. Kung emergency naman siya, okay yung pagkain na kailangan madala sa oras, okay lang naman yun. Siyempre, yung mga hindi makalabas na mga senior, di ba? So priority yun eh. So yung mga nagmamadaling pa, pasok lang naman, siguro dapat sumunod sila sa batas.
On Monday morning, MMDA personnel have closely monitored the bike lane along EDSA. Based on the MMDA's monitoring in EDSA, there are so many motorcycle riders passing through the bicycle lane that it cannot be used by bicyclists. The agency added that the bike lane is being made into a fast lane for motorcyclists. For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jayson Rubrico, SM9 News.